Hello drawing friends, welcome back to Joss's Kids Draw. I'm Joss and today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a leprechaun. For this you'll need some paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. And let's get right on into drawing. To draw a leprechaun, we're going to start off by drawing the hat. So I'm going to be drawing my leprechaun on a slight angle because he's going to be clicking his heels in the air. So I'm going to draw a line, so a diagonal line on the paper, but on the leprechaun it'll just be a vertical line. And then a curved line on top for the top of the hat, and then continue that curve on the bottom here. So the hat looks 3D. And then I'm going to draw another line down. So it right now is a cylinder without the second base. From here, I'm going to draw a curved line like this to connect, and then keep it going out, and then curve it into the hat. Now I'm going to do another line the same way, so it looks like the brim of the hat. Now time to draw a belt on the hat. So to do this, I'm going to draw a straight line across, then 2 lines in here, and then a little rectangle inside of that. And I'm just going to color in the belt black. Now remember, if I ever go too fast, you can always pause the video, do the step, and then press play once you are ready. Now from here, we're going to draw the actual leprechaun. So I'm going to start by drawing a curved line, and then I'm going to stop it there. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Curve and stop it, because we're going to be drawing the beard now. And because of overlapping, the beard is on top of the rest of the face. So I'm going to draw a bumpy line up and back in. Just like that. Now inside there, I'm going to draw a straight line and then a U shape. So it looks like the leprechaun is smiling. And it's very, very happy. Now I'm just going to color that half circle in. From there, I'm going to draw a little U shape for the nose and 2 circles as eyes. Inside those circles, I'm going to draw a smaller circle as a highlight in the eye. And then I'm just going to color the rest of the circle in. From here, I'm going to be drawing the body. So to do this, I'm going to draw a line down and on a diagonal out. Then curve it on the end for the elbow and bring it back in. So this is going to be the arm. Now I'm going to draw the same line but inward more. I'm going to do the same thing on this side too. A line out, curve it back in, and then the same one. Now this is looking a little weird, so let's draw the body. So from right here at the bottom of the arm, I'm going to draw a line out, down. Not out, down. So from here, I'm going to do the same thing. Now I'm stopping here so that we can draw the hands. So I'm going to draw a curved line to connect for the sleeve, and then just a ball for the hand. And in that, we're going to draw 3 little lines to separate the fingers. Now, to mark where the top half of his body meets the bottom half, I'm going to draw a curved line. And now time for my favorite part, the legs. So from here, I'm going to draw a line out, and sort of like the same thing we did for the arms. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. A line out, then curve it back in. Now make sure you're curving it back in and not just doing a sharp line back in, because the knee bends softly, not just all of a sudden. So now I'm going to make it a wider line. So here and here, I'm going to do the same shape. So a little thicker than the arms. And I'm just going to connect this part with the curve. Lastly, I'm going to draw the shoes, and then we're going to add some details to his outfit. So I'm going to draw a curved line on the bottom of his pants. And then for the shoes, I'm going to draw a curved line like that, and then continue it out and start curving it back up. Curve it up, and then back in. I'm going to do the same thing here. Curve it, and here the heels are going to touch. I'm going to curve it out, start going up, hit a point, and back in. Now finally, to add some detail. So here I'm going to add a belt, just like we did before. So a curved line across, 2 vertical lines in it, then a little rectangle. And I'm going to once again color that in black. If you're not using a black crayon or marker to draw with, then you can just wait for the coloring portion to color in the belt. So now the final detail I'm going to add is a straight line down in the middle, and then 3 little buttons on the side. And that is how you draw a leprechaun clicking his heels. Now I am going to do some coloring. For the coloring, I'm going to be using 5 different colors: orange, peach, light green, dark green, and yellow. Now I will be fast forwarding my coloring, but you can always pause it at the end and do your coloring at your own pace. That is it for today's drawing lesson. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. If you want to show me a picture of your drawing, make sure you send me an email to jossaskidsdraw@gmail.com and attach an image to it. And I will see you next time. Keep on drawing till then. Bye!